This life has taught us that family has nothing to do with blood. And our fathers taught us that blood has nothing to do with family. We too are children of war. There was no blood stains on the stoop of our houses for people to notice the war within. But we bled inside our mothers' houses, and our mothers bled inside their houses. Every day at the mercy of a broken man, men who break everything they touch. Our fathers touched us everywhere, even the palms of our hands. So everything we touch also bleeds. A blood family, bleeding blood that could never bind us together. We have never been together. We have witnessed each other bleed, never knowing how to make each other heal. We are familiar to the taste of blood. Our father also touched our tongues, so we never spoke about the fire in our house or our mother who was too afraid to run away with us. Children from a house of fire will often come out with invisible third-degree wounds. And the girl is likely to fall for a guy who epitomizes her father's madness, and her mother will tell her, baby, didn't my experience teach you any better than to stay with a man who doesn't know he's a man? Because the best a broken boy knows how to do is break the women in his life. And when he's done with you, he'll leave you as broken as his child.